Hello everybody, welcome to today's session. I am Pradeep Kumar. So guys, this is the tutorial number 6 of Git tutorial series. On today's session, we'll discuss about one concept on Git that is called branching and merging. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now for more videos related to different cloud technology, different DevOps tools, VMware administration, Linux administration, and many more latest technology. So guys, before going with the lab session, I would like to give some overview on branching and merging. So what is branch? So Git branches are individual projects within a Git repository. At the core, the central repo contains branch called master or main branch within a infinite lifetime. So now next question it will come that why we need branches in a Git repo. So different types of supporting branches you will get except master for below cause. Might be they will use for parallel development between team member and easy tracking of features. They might use the branches to prepare for production releases, and they might use and to assist in quickly fixing live production problems. So we may use below branches in a project that might be some feature branches, release branches, and hotfix branches. Okay, so unlike the main branches like master, these branches always have a limited lifetime. Okay, so the supporting branches have limited lifetime, but master branch is having infinite lifetime. Okay, since they will be removed eventually. That means suppose we created some branch for hotfix and we fix that issue and we merge that the code with the master branch, then after that we will delete that hotfix branch. Okay, so that is lifetime is very limited. Then we will go to the what is merging. The git merge command lets you take the independent lines of development created by git branch and integrate them into a single branch. Okay, so that means you are merging with one branch with another. Okay, that is called merging. So guys, now we'll go with the lab session. In the lab session, what we'll do, we'll create branch, we'll merge the branch with another branch. Okay, then we'll delete the branch. So guys, I have logged into one machine where I have installed Git. Okay, so that is Git version 1.8. So first I will create a directory, my code. Okay, then I will go to my code directory, then I will initialize as a git repository. So I will give git init. Okay, now the directory got initialized. So I will write some sample python code. Okay, so that I will add to the staging area, we will commit that code. Okay, so vi my first code dot py insert. Suppose I will print some statement, print, suppose hello world. Okay, print hello world, escape, wq is done. So this is my first code. Okay, so if I'll give git status, that means it will show one code need to be added to the staging area. So what I will do, I will give git add dot. Okay, so if I'll give git status again, so now it is showing new file got added to the staging area. Now you can go with the commit. So for the committing, git commit -m for message, then I need to give some, I need to write some message. Suppose my first commit in the branch master. Okay, enter. So it is saying that code got committed. So now we'll check if we'll give git branch. Okay, so now we are in master branch, only one branch which is master. You can see asterisk is under master only. So now we'll create another branch. So there is two way you can create a branch. So using git branch, then branch name you can give, or else in the parallelly you can give git checkout -b, then the branch name. So what it will do, if you give git branch then branch name, simply it will create a branch. If you give git checkout -b, then branch name, it will, what it will do, it will create a branch, then again it will check out to the that branch. Okay, there is two way you can create. So I will first git branch, suppose my dev, my branch name is my dev. Okay, so if I'll give git branch, then it will show master branch as well as the my dev branch. Okay, currently I am in master branch. Okay, so I want to, suppose I have created one branch, so now I need to switch to my dev branch. How will do? So git checkout, then the branch name where you want to switch. Okay, so now so if I'll give git branch, so you can see now asterisk under star symbol is the it is pointing to my dev. Okay, that means I am in my dev branch. Okay, simply if I'll give ls, okay, so you can see, so now it is only one line. Okay, so I will modify that code. Okay, simply I'll do one more line. Suppose what I'll do, hello viewers. Okay, so this line got added. Okay, so I added that line in the my dev branch. Okay, now I will save. Okay, so you can see, if I'll give git status, now it is showing one file got modified. This is my first code because we added one line. So now I have to add this git add dot, now it got added. So now we are in which branch? Git branch. So now in whatever modification we did on the feature branch called my dev branch. Okay, so that is an extra branch. Okay, so now git commit -m, I'll write some message. Suppose my first commit in the branch my dev, right? My dev. Okay, so my first commit in the branch my dev. Okay, now it's got committed. So what we'll do, now it's the time to merge. So how we can merge it? Now I am in my dev branch. Okay, I want to merge my code with the master branch. So how you can do? So what I'll do, so I'll check out to my master branch. That means that is my receiving branch. Okay, git checkout master. So if I'll give git branch, now I am in master branch. Okay, so if I'll give ls, let me check, now I am in master branch, right? So you can see that is one line in master branch. Okay, because we have added another line which is I added, so I checked out to my dev branch, then I added one more first, but currently we are in master branch, but that that changes is not reflecting here. So what we will need to do, we need to merge. After merging it will reflect. Okay, so what I will do, simply I have to give git merge, then the feature branch, that is my branch name. Okay, so I am in checkout to master branch, there I am merging git merge my dev. So that means whatever changes I have did changes in the branch called my dev, that it will merge to the master branch, git merge my dev. Okay, so now it is saying that one file change, one insertion. So what I'll do, if I'll go to then git status, if I'll give git status, okay, nothing to commit, working on directory clone. Okay, so if I'll give get. Now I am in which branch? Git branch. Okay, now I am in master branch. If I now after I did the merging, if I open same file again, git, so now you can see the two lines. Okay, so because this line we added in the my dev we created branch, there only we modified that file. Okay, so but it was not reflecting before the merging, so now we did the merging, so it come into the whatever the changes we did on the my dev branch, so it got merged with the master branch. So guys, in this way we can create a branch, we can merging. Now we'll delete the branch. So now we are in master branch, so I want to delete now because I have already did the merging, so we can delete that. So what I'll do, git, simply you need to run one command, git branch hyphen d, then branch name, git delete git branch hyphen d for delete, then the branch name called which branch you want to delete. So now if you'll give git branch, so currently only one branch is available, which is master branch. Okay, so in this way you can create a branch, local branch, you can merge, you can delete a local branch. Okay, so guys, hope you enjoy the session. In the next session we will play more with the git. So hope you enjoy the session. Stay tuned for next videos. Thank you very much.